Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration in CoinStats. Vibration or haptic feedback from CoinStats app can be useful, but sometimes you just want it turned off. So in those times, you can simply go ahead and do it in a few simple steps. Launch open the CoinStats application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of CoinStats, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, you'll need to scroll all the way down again and toggle off the button right next to Touch Vibration. So now to have this option turned off, you'll be able to turn off the vibration or haptic feedback in the CoinStats application on your Android or iOS devices. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.